Good morning everyone from Cardiff. We just drove 2 hours from London to here and I'm so hungry because we started our journey 6:30 and now is around 9:25 and apparently everyone is sleeping because this city is so quiet because it's Saturday and sunny. Let's go to find a place to have breakfast. We can see in the menu there is full English breakfast, which I know and I'm familiar with that, but there is another one, Welsh breakfast, and the difference between them, this one is the English breakfast, free range eggs, breakfast potato, bacon, sausage, mushroom, beans, tomato and toast. These are free range eggs, black pudding, and cockles, lava bread. This looks so exciting. Actually, between the English breakfast and Welsh breakfast, I went for vegetarian option, and these sausages are vegetarian. I'm not vegetarian, but I like vegetarian sausage. I'm full and I'm satisfied. Let's go back on a road. I don't know where we are going, but we are going to have adventure. We are going towards west till the end of the land. Seriously, where are we going? I don't know. We are kind of middle of nowhere. It's getting more interesting. We arrived somewhere, actually we don't know exactly where we are, but we pointed in a Google map somewhere, and actually we drove through some crazy road and now we are here. But the view from some part of the road we could see, it was amazing. Let's go and figure out where we are. But I know we are next to the sea. Here is exactly in front of where we parked. But actually this is so a small beach and we are now going to swim and we are going to take a path and hike up there to see the view. I think we will have kind of better view of the sea and some cliff. So amazing, so beautiful, and it's good for taking photos. We took some photos for my Instagram. If you don't follow me on Instagram, go and check. I have a good feed and you will like it and you will discover new places. And yes, it's so quiet, it's so beautiful, and some people are swimming. I don't know how, I don't think it's so warm to swim, but it's amazing. I just climbed this cliff and now I'm here. You can see what I can see. It's just so beautiful. Let's go because we are heading to our car because we haven't booked anything and we have no idea where we are staying tonight, and before it's getting dark we should find a place to sleep, and that's why we have to go. Let's go.
Let's go.
Woo! Now we are in search of a room. We are going to check the room out, and if we like it, we can get it. Which is not this. This one. I think I like the view and the room, and we are going to tell her that we are getting this room for tonight. This room is gonna be our home. And now we are waiting for our food for dinner. I don't know if it's lunch or dinner because we didn't have lunch. And the funny thing is, this restaurant didn't have any table. All of the tables they were reserved, and we have just 1 hour to eat, to finish our food, and we should leave because this table is already reserved. And yeah, this is cool. Because this is a really small, cute town. Look what we found! This cathedral is so huge and it's so amazing. I mean, it's totally different from all other cathedrals I've been and I've seen. It's really beautiful. I mean, I saw the picture when we came to St. David's, but I didn't think it's gonna be so amazing.